Is it the right time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 22, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from December 1, 2023, our system has identified QQQ as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.66. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 4.73%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.3% since it was identified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the ETF is experiencing a strong rising trend, which could present a great selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is likely to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if it breaks the top trend line at $411.74, it indicates an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 15.13% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 6.57% and 16.08%. The 12-month trend indicates a 40.61% change over the next year, with a potential return between 24.86% and 41.37%. This means the price range could be between $509.89 and $577.31 after a year. Our latest update on the QQQ ETF reveals that its price ended at $408.38 on Friday, with a gain of 0.150%. On the last trading day, Friday, December 22, 2023, the QQQ ETF price increased by 0.150%, moving from $407.77 to $408.38. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.86% between a low of $406.48 and a high of $409.97. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 instances, resulting in a 4.13% increase over the last 2 weeks. The volume decreased by 12 million shares on the previous day, with a total of 34 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $13.75 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $410.47, while the lowest price was $259.73. Currently, the price is 0.51% below the 52-week high, amounting to $2.09. It's worth mentioning that the current price of $408.38 also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Here are the signals to consider for QQQ. The QQQ ETF shows positive indicators as it holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages. The relation between these signals also supports a positive forecast, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is expected support at $406.31 and $389.75. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, signals a buy. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning, making it important to closely monitor the ETF. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, resulting in a decline of -0.191% so far. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicate a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal 34 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 37 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal 23 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. Let's talk about the support levels for the QQQ ETF. Currently, it finds support just below today's level at $364.70 and $359.97. When an ETF is testing a support level, there is always a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ will find support just below today's level at $364.70. If that level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $359.97 and $343.66. Fortunately, QQQ is usually traded at a good volume, and the risk is considered to be low due to minor daily changes. In the last day, the ETF moved $3.49, 0.86%, between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.99%. Before we explore potential trading levels for QQQ, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's look at the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio may suggest that the market has lower expectations for the company's future, or that the stock is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for QQQ. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $409.16. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be beneficial to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, for those who already have a position, this could be an ideal level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $396.11, which represents a decrease of 3%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower level of risk. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 currently sits at 78, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is it a good time to buy the QQQ ETF? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there may be a buying opportunity for the QQQ ETF in the short term. However, our analysis shows that the current price is overvalued, considering the volatility and movements of the last trading day. For trading on Tuesday, December 26, we anticipate the QQQ ETF to open down by $0.104 and start trading at $408.28. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you are acknowledging and accepting the responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel. Today, we want to share our current view on the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. Also, don't forget to share your target for the ETF. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Sending regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.